January 10, 2018. Charles Dharapak. AP Images. Amy Feinstein. The divorce of Huma Abedin and Anthony Weiner has taken a strange turn as Abedin has withdrawn her divorce complaint. Huma Abedin was due in court this morning to proceed with her intended divorce filing against Anthony Weiner, who is in prison, but was contesting the divorce. But Abedin didn't show up for court today, and instead, her lawyers filed documents, signed by both Huma Abedin and Anthony Weiner, calling off the divorce. At this time, despite the fact that Anthony Weiner is behind bars in a Massachusetts federal prison, he and Abedin have pulled the plug on their divorce. Huma Abedin filed for divorce from Anthony Weiner the day after his guilty plea. It seemed that the marriage of Huma Abedin and Anthony Weiner had finally come to an end after Weiner repeatedly humiliated Abedin, but once again, Abedin has backpedaled. Abedin originally filed for divorce after Anthony Weiner pleaded guilty to having a sexting and Skype relationship with a minor. Anthony Weiner told the judge that he made a mistake. "I'm guilty, Your Honor. I engaged in obscene communications with this teenager, including sharing explicit images and encouraging her to engage in sexually explicit conduct, just as I had done and continued to do with adult women. I knew this was as morally wrong as it was unlawful." Convenient. No divorce means he or she cannot be compelled to testify against the other. Got to love liberal standards. Huma Abedin and Anthony Weiner withdraw their divorce. https://7oshvia at page 6. Ken Dickerson at Mesa 4708. January 10, 2018. A lawyer for Abedin had her divorce against Weiner discontinued. Today this morning, in a New York courtroom, a judge announced that the divorce proceeding of Huma Abedin and Anthony Weiner has been discontinued, says page 6. For now, Huma Abedin and Anthony Weiner will remain legally married while he continues to serve his 2 years behind bars in a Massachusetts federal prison. A court source suggests that this could mean that Huma Abedin and Anthony Weiner have decided to stay married, or perhaps they have decided to work something out privately. There is obviously no hurry, as Weiner isn't going anywhere for the next 2 years. Anthony Weiner begs Huma Abedin to take him back. https://kofakjustshedpic.twitter.com. Verb 6. Kissing Ivanka Trump at Kissing Ivanka. January 10, 2018. A lawyer for Abedin says they are handling the divorce out of court. The Washington Post say that Huma Abedin and Anthony Weiner are likely taking their divorce filing out of the court so that they can have some privacy away from the prying eyes of the press. Huma Abedin's lawyer, Charlie Miller, says that the move is all about the couple's 6-year-old son, Jordan Weiner, and not about Abedin taking Weiner back after his conviction. In order to ensure the proceedings have a minimal impact on their child, the parties have decided to finalize their divorce swiftly and privately. The move to settle things privately, behind closed doors, is a change for Abedin and Weiner, who have both lived very public and sometimes messy lives.